Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making mashed potatoes. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. I have potatoes, milk, black pepper which is also known as Cameroon pepper, salt, butter and water. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. Now we use the potato peeler to remove the skin. Then cut it into smaller pieces. Then put it inside the bowl. After that, I will rinse it and put it inside the pot. I will add half tablespoon of salt, then add water. Then stir it round. Cover with lid and leave it to cook for 15 minutes on a high heat. So guys, it's up to 15 minutes now. I will use my fork to check if the potato is soft enough. When a fork can easily pass through it, you know the potato is cooked. I will drain the potatoes and shake to remove as much water as possible. After that, I will put the cooked potatoes back into the pot. Now I will use a potato masher to mash the potatoes. By the way guys, I'm doing this on a low heat. I will add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, then add room temperature butter. It is important that the butter is at room temperature because you don't want to cool down the potatoes. And mash. Now we'll mix with milk. I'll be adding small amount of milk at a time until I get the desired consistency that I want. Make sure you use warm milk because if you use cold milk, it will react with the starch and also give you gluey texture. If you want your mashed potato to be very thick, you stop adding the milk. But if you don't want it to be that thick, you continue adding the milk until you get the desired consistency that you want. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my mashed potatoes. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.